In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the VAC verify error easily. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is open up the Steam app. Once you open it up, what you want to do is close Counter-Strike Global Offensive. You can do that by simply clicking on the taskbar, open the task manager, find Counter-Strike, click on it and click on End Task, but make sure that you turn it off. And once it's off, what you want to do is open up Steam, click on the Friends tab and click on Edit Profile Name / Avatar. Now change your profile name to whatever you want, but don't worry, you'll change it back later. Once you change it, click on the Steam tab and click on Go Offline. Now click on Restart in offline mode. And now what you want to do is click on the Steam tab again and click on Go Online. Click on Restart and Go Online. Now click on the Friends tab again. Click on Edit Profile Name / Avatar. And change it back to whatever it was. Change your profile name back. Once you're done, you can simply just go back and start Counter-Strike Global Offensive and the error should be fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Bye.